I have recently discovered a document that explains the hidden mysteries about this map from information found on the dark web, and it goes over everything from why these continents are in these positions, how the people got there, and why there are holes in the ice wall. But the most interesting thing I found was about the edges of this map, which I haven't talked about yet because I haven't heard anything about it. But now I do, so let me tell you. Now this is a 3D render which is only an interpretation of what was found in the information, and it shows Earth at the top being shaped like a sphere and it connecting to a sort of snowman shaped map, with the second part being called Atlas and the third part being called Akupara. Now this is the part that blew my mind. At the bottom here you see it says the world of the wastes. That is the border on the first map I showed you, the Beyond the Ice Wall map. That's what the border is supposed to be. But according to this information, this area expands to infinity. In order for us to understand what comes next, first we must look at the cosmic egg and learn the concept of ether. This is the ethereal core, and it is in the same location as Earth. What we know of as Middle Earth, where we live, the middle section there, is where ether is most concentrated. But as we get outside of the ice walls and farther away from Earth, the concentration of ether decreases. Now you might be wondering, what is ether? Well, from what I've learned, it's basically what holds reality together. And the farther away you get from this core, the more that the laws of nature start to weaken. If you get far enough away from it, towards the edge, you get to the sunken wastes. And in our terms, that would be hell, where all the demons and strange creatures exist. But this is the same place that other Earths are created, with new domes and new ice walls and new continents. And if you thought that snowman-shaped map looked familiar, that's because it was a part of the Mandelbrot set, which is a theory in mathematics that there is sacred geometry and it provides a template for all life in the universe. Do you see the resemblance? Anyway, that is all for this episode. I'll be making a series out of this explaining everything I found in this document, so make sure that you follow, like, share, and comment.